All right, so I have a gift for you.
I have a gift. How kind of you. Oh, wow.
This is called a Pheno. This is my buddy's new startup.
Okay.
And in the
Thank you.
self-experimenting kind of crazy vein of things,
all right.
I want to show you this. Now,
Pheno, F-E-N-O.
Yeah. So this is, okay, this is a beta.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can't laugh at me because remember, you're going to be doing this by yourself.
Oh,
okay?
God.
This is not like a fleshlight or anything. Okay.
What the fuck
So
is
this is a medically proven way to brush your entire mouth in 20 seconds.
Wow. Okay.
So
all right, that's interesting.
So watch this.
Oh, wow, you're going to try it.
Yeah, I'm going to take a little of this here. You put a little foam in here.
Yeah.
And so there's this, they have this little app that custom creates a mold.
You didn't buy this from an ad on Pornhub?
No, exactly. So this is going to look a little mouth aggressive. Okay. So if you're watching the video.
Spirit forward, mouth aggressive. That's also my bio.
Exactly. So what you do is that this was created by a couple founders that, obviously one of them was a dentist, and they figured out that, compliance is really hard with people that say everyone says they floss, they don't.
Yeah,
I do, but do you floss?
Oh, like 7 times a day.
so I'm put this in my mouth, and this is going to wrap around both sides.
How are you going to rinse that?
I don't know.
All right, let's see it. This is going to be good.
I don't know. I couldn't stop it. Okay.
Holy
I know what
shit.
you're thinking.
You definitely bought that on Pornhub.
I did not. No, I did not, but it works surprisingly well.
I'll try it.
I got one for you.
Thank you.
I got to say that I do love, it has sensors in there. I know.
I bet it does.
You're doing it by yourself, so you don't look like you're getting mouth raped every time.
I can see you winking. I can see you winking.
It is aggressive, but I will say that it does a very good job cleaning.
Aggressive but effective.
Aggressive but effective. And it's 20 seconds, which is great. They have sensors that actually scan your gums and look at gum health and can send it back to your doctor.
What?
So
on that device?
On the device, built into the device.
Okay.
So that your doctor can actually see recession and like things that are happening with your gums. So it's like a very tech-forward device.
It's crazy.
I
had my first real surgery was when I was a kid for receding gingiva. I actually had a huge piece of my upper, well, I guess it's your only, palate removed and grafted
Holy shit.
onto my lower gums.
Like sugar and shit? Like what were you doing?
No, it's just genetic. Like my gums were receding when I was a kid. I don't know how old I was, maybe 12, something like that. It was brutal.